Hello mga kahansam, for today's video, may papakita ko sa inyo what BMW is this?
X1.
X1. BMW X1 customer came here, he reckoned he has a damaged engine and he is considering replacing the engine. The problem is there is a noise in the engine. He did the service, but whenever you accelerate the engine, you can feel a noise and a vibration. So I recommended a major service to Jordan. And Jordan reckons there is a noise during acceleration. I'll show you a trick. Start. I can feel the strong vibration from the steering wheel. And when you accelerate, the engine is shaking. Okay? Now, I'm gonna show you the hack. How to help the customer save a lot of money. Jordan, turn the engine on. Okay, now I'll get Jordan to jack up. So what we did is I told Jordan to get a jack and a rubber piece and slightly jack up the engine. That's it. Too much. It might puncture the thing. Yep, that's it. So just jack up the engine and I will start the car now. So why am I doing this? What do you think, Jordan?
To loosen the mounts.
Huh? If the vibration disappear, what does it tells you?
The engine mounts are gone.
Engine mounts. Let's try now. Shit, battery is gone. Look at that. Wow. It's bloody quiet. It's quiet. Feel it, Jordan. Feel.
Yeah.
Did it change? Why would you charge the customer 7,500 engine for a $750 job? Just replace the two mounts and check again. And case closed. I therefore conclude that your bill can become expensive. It depends on the mechanic. If you go to the Hansa mechanic, uuwi ka pang may ngiti sa labi. This is Andre Bons from the Hansa Mechanic. You should be here.